Hello, I welcome you to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to register and upload your work on our website for free. What you do is, if you have not yet registered, you click on register at the top of the screen here. Once you click on the register, it will take you to where you can sign up. Now, if you have a skill that you want to sell, you better register as a seller. Then if you are not planning of selling anything, if you just want to remain buying from people that are selling, that is when you are going to click on a member. Otherwise, if you are planning of selling a service, then it is better you register as a seller. And if you click on it, it's going to take you here where you type your username and your email address and your password. Then you will check this that I'm not a robot. Of course, you are not a robot. And make sure you read our terms and conditions. Make sure you go through it, then check this before you click on register. And once you have registered, the next thing is to upload your work. And in uploading your work, you can go to you will sign in. You have to sign in first with your username and your password. If it requires verification, sometimes it may require verification that you go through your email address and click on verification link. And once you have verified your email, then you are good to go. So you are now coming here to sign in. If you have signed in, then you can now start uploading your work. Okay, now I have signed in. Now what I will do is, you can click on post a job to start creating your gig. We call it gig. You can click on post a job. Let me click on post a job. And depends on the category of job we want to post. Depends on the category of job we want to post. And if you do not see the category of job you want to post here, just contact me and I will create your own category immediately. Okay, so let's say I am into website designer. Let's say I'm into website designing. Then I'm going to click on website. And here I will type, I will create a professional WordPress website. Okay, and you are going to describe your gig here. Make sure you describe it well. I will create one page website, and that is, if it is one page, that is, if it's one page you want to create for your client, make sure you describe it well here. For your business, company, or school, and describe it well. I will not spend my time describing it now. And if you don't know how to describe it, you can see other examples on this website. And here you are going to type the keyword here. and the keyword is website designing. You add comma, then you add another one, WordPress website. You can add another one, web development. Add as many keywords as possible so that as people are searching for it, they will be able to see it, because it is this keyword that will bring it up. Okay, if you have done that, the next thing you will do is to upload your images. You are going to click on browse on your system so that you can upload your images, and maximum of 3 images will be okay. Then if you have a video, you click on video and upload at least 1 video. If you don't have a video, there is no problem about that, you can leave that. Okay, then the next one is you come to detail and you can check some of this that applies to you. For instance, I am hardworking, I am reliable, I am flexible. Check as many as you can. If you don't check it, there is no problem, but if you want to check it, you can check it. Okay, then the next thing we will look at is prices. Very important. You need to take care of here. If you click on price, you can see there are 3 categories of prices here. The first one is basic. So you are going to type basic here. Wherever I want to type the category of your pricing. Let's say the category of my pricing, the first category I have is basic. So I will type basic here. Then I can type standard here. I can also type premium here. And if this is not how you want to categorize your own pricing, let's say you want to categorize your own pricing this way. Start from bronze. You can type bronze here, and here you type gold, and here you can type silver. If that is the way you want to categorize your own pricing, that is okay. Then here you need to, this way you are going to give your pricing. Let's say the starting point of your website designing, that is if you are a website designer, the starting point could be maybe the amount you are charging per 1 page website is 10,000 naira. You are going to type the price here. Don't put any comma, just type 10,000 naira. Just type 10,000. Okay, then you now describe it. I will create 1 page website, 1 page WordPress website. Okay, so that your customer will know the limit to which this basic entails. So very clear that you are only going to design only 1 page. Then on the second part, here you can say you have to specify the number of pages you are going to design. I will create 10 page. I will create 10 page websites. Okay, you have to be specific about it. Then the pricing could be 20,000 naira. Just type 20,000. Okay, then you come to this silver. Here the price will be a little bit bigger. Let's say the price you are charging here is 150,000 naira. You don't need to put comma, just 150. And here the responsibility is bigger. Let's say I will create a full e-commerce website for your business. Okay, and then another category is, let's say I will create a real estate website for your company. Okay, that is the description of this package, so that your customer will know what he's paying for. Okay, then once you are done with the pricing, the next thing is fact. Fact is frequently asked question. And if you want to add any fact here, you are going to title it here. If you want to add, you can title it here, but I will not spend my time on this now. Okay, then your location, you can add your location and your address. And one more important thing here, in the general, that is where you are describing your gig here, at the end of it, you can add it to it. Make sure you contact me before you place an order. The reason for this is maybe what the person wants, your gig may not have covered it. So the person need to contact you so that you can finalize on what you are going to give to him. And if that is done, then you hit save changes. And there is one more thing I need to tell you, that is under pricing. You will see that there is add-on. Add-on is an extra. Let's say you are a website designer and you also run ad on Facebook and Instagram. So you can add it as an add-on, so that if the person order for your website designing, he can decide to add it along with social media advertising. So you can add to it as an add-on social media advertising, and you are going to specify the price. Let's say the price is 50,000 naira, and you are going to describe it. And let's say I will run ad for your business for 1 week. You need to be very specific. For 1 week. So whatever you do for 1 week is what they are going to pay you this amount for. And once that one week is over, your contract is over. Okay, and you are done with the add-on. So you hit save changes and you click. If you happen to see this, okay, I've not uploaded any image here, that's why I see this complaint. So I don't have any image to upload now. So basically that is the way you go about it. Then you look at on the right hand side here, you will see the category. The first category is website designing. That is the first category. Then the subcategory is the WordPress design, because WordPress website is under website design. So make sure you check all these. Okay, and if that is all checked, and you will be done. Okay, that is the much I'll be doing with this video for now. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to contact us. You see contact here. We have contact here where you can contact us, can send messages to us. Okay, thank you for watching this video and see you in the next video. Bye.